OMMO nut milk maker. Large colorful LED screen. 10-in-1 multifunction mode. Pour in the appropriate amount of beans. 10 stainless steel blades. Add water. The water level must be between the min and max levels. Make sure the lid aligns with the handle to lock it, or the soy milk maker wheel doesn't work. Choose the function. It will start working. Enjoy delicious milk. Soy milk. Add your favorite nuts or ingredients. Set up an appointment time. Delicious milk is ready. Warm reminder, nut milk should be filtered before use. The taste will be smoother. Nut milk. Add fresh sliced bananas. Add fresh milk. Banana milkshake. Tip: for a smoother taste, the milkshake needs to be blended for a few more minutes.